Critical Thinking class. I welcome you all, dear students. Today, I will ask you 10 questions and you have to give answer of each question in 10 seconds. Choose option A, B, C or D and check how many answers you got correct. At the end, you have to post your answers in the comment section. Question number 1. Choose the same relationship of given words. Smell, stench, sound, dash. Options are tranquil, narrows, cacophony, probe. Hurry up. And the answer is cacophony. A stench is an unpleasant smell and a cacophony is an unpleasant sound. Question number 2. B, T, R, X, S and Z are sitting in a row. S and Z are in the center. B and T are at the ends. R is sitting to the left of B, who is to the right of T. Options given are B, X, Z and S. Yes. And the answer is X. That is option B. The sitting arrangement is T, X, S, Z, R, B as shown in the video. So, to the right of T, it is X. Question number 3. Hill is related to mountain in the same way tank is related to dash. River, flowing, swimming, path. Yes, dear students. How is tank related to dash? Be fast. Here comes the answer. Tank is related to river. As short form of mountain is hill, similarly, a water tank is a short form of river. Do you get it? Question number 4. Arrange the following words and make meaningful sequence. Police, judgment, crime, judge, punishment. Options given are A, B, C and D. Choose the best option. Yes, hurry up. The answer is, the correct sequence will be 3, 1, 4, 2, 5. 3 is crime, 1 police, 4 judge, 2 judgment and 5 punishment. So once the crime is done, police will investigate and then judgment will be made by judge and punishment will be given. Next question. Choose the correct option below that will continue the same pattern and replace the question mark in the given series. The series is 2, 5, 26 dash. Yes, dear students. Be quick. Last second, time over. And the answer is option number C, 677. Actually, the sequence was following by adding 1 to the square of preceding number. Next question number 6. Choose the odd pair from the below words. A, carpenter saw, B, barber scissor, C, goldsmith ornaments, D, blacksmith anvil. Yes, dear students. You know carpenter, barber, goldsmith, blacksmith and how they work, what is their profession. So, come up with the answer. The answer is goldsmith and ornaments. In all the other pairs, second is the tool used by the first. but goldsmith makes ornaments. Ornaments are not a tool. Question number 7. Which one of the following is always found in heroism? A. Suitable, B. Power, C. Advice, D. Courage. Yes, dear students. Which is a component of heroism? Yes, hurry up. The answer is courage, because heroism means great bravery and its synonym is courage. Time for the next question. Question number 8. Pointing to a photograph of a boy, Max said, "He is the son of the only son of my mother." How is Max related to that boy? Options given are cousin, father, brother, uncle. It's a blood relation type based question. Hurry up students, you can solve it. And the answer is option number B, father. The boy in the photograph is the only son of the son of Max's mother. That is son of Max. Hence, Max is the father of boy. Right? Question number 9 now. Jennifer went to the movie 8 days ago. She goes to the movie only on Wednesday. What day of the week is today? Yes. Monday, Tuesday, Thursday or Friday? Calculate it. Hurry up. The answer is Thursday. That is option number C. From the question it is clear that 8 days ago it was Wednesday. So today it will be Thursday. It is Thursday actually. Question number 10. If Z is equal to 52 and CAT is equal to 48, then MAT will be equal to dash 68, 46, 64 or 86. Yes, dear students, hurry up. And the answer is 68. In the given code, A is equal to 2, B is equal to 4, C is equal to 6. So that Z is equal to 52. Did you check how many you got the correct answers? Please let me know by giving your comments. Use the comment section. Dear students, if you got 8 plus correct, then you are one of the brilliant person. And if you got 4 plus correct, then you are quick thinker. But if you got 0 correct, then please replay this video. Thanks for watching.